Lemon water detox, miracle cure, or marketing myth. We've all seen it splashed across magazines and websites. Lemon water detoxifies your body. It sounds amazing, right? A simple drink that can cleanse your system. But is it too good to be true? As a doctor, I often get asked about detox diets and drinks. Let's dive in and separate the hype from the actual health benefits. True health isn't about quick fixes, it's about understanding our bodies. Get ready to sip on some knowledge about this popular beverage. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Detoxification. What does it really mean? In its simplest terms, detoxification is the process of removing harmful substances from the body. These substances, often called toxins, can come from various sources: the environment, the food we eat, and even our body's natural metabolic processes. Now, before you imagine toxins building up like dust bunnies in the corner, it's important to understand that our bodies are designed to deal with these substances naturally. We don't need fancy cleanses or special drinks to do the job for us. Our organs, particularly the liver and kidneys, are incredibly efficient at filtering and eliminating waste products. Think of your liver as a powerful filtration system, constantly working to neutralize harmful substances and break them down into less harmful forms that can be excreted. The kidneys, on the other hand, act like diligent waste collectors, filtering our blood and sending toxins out through urine. Our bodies, the ultimate detox machines. Our bodies are incredibly resilient and self-sufficient when it comes to detoxification. Every day our organs work tirelessly to process and eliminate waste products. The liver. This powerhouse organ acts as the body's primary filter. The kidneys. These bean-shaped organs act as the body's waste filtration system. The digestive system. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. The skin, our largest organ, it acts as a barrier and helps detoxify through sweating. These organs work in concert 24/7 to keep our bodies free from harmful substances. The rise of the lemon water detox. How did lemon water become synonymous with detoxification? Tradition, marketing, and a dash of scientific truth. Lemons have long been associated with cleansing in various cultures. This wisdom, coupled with detox trends, made lemon water a detox superstar. Marketing promoted lemon water as a natural way to cleanse the body. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, crucial for immune function. Lemon water under the microscope, separating fact from fiction. Let's break down some common claims about lemon water and detoxification. Lemon water flushes toxins out of the body. There's no scientific evidence to suggest it removes toxins more effectively than plain water. Our liver and kidneys are already efficient at this task. Lemon water alkalizes the body, balancing pH levels. However, our bodies tightly regulate pH levels. Lemon water boosts metabolism and promotes weight loss. These effects are modest at best. Lemon water's low calorie count makes it a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. It's important to approach these claims with a critical eye. While lemons offer some health benefits, exaggerating their abilities can overshadow their true value. Hydration Hero Lemon Water's real power. Lemon water shines in promoting hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for health. It regulates body temperature and transports nutrients. It flushes out waste and lubricates joints. Lemon water makes hydration more appealing. A squeeze of lemon encourages more drinking. Proper hydration is key to good health. Beyond hydration, the added perks of lemon water. Beyond its hydration benefits, lemon water offers a few additional perks. 1. Vitamin C boost. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, supporting immune function and collagen production. 2. Potential skin benefits. Vitamin C might contribute to healthier skin. 3. Low-calorie beverage option. Lemon water is a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks. 4. Digestive support. Warm lemon water in the morning can aid digestion. These benefits contribute to lemon water's appeal as a healthy beverage choice. Enjoy lemon water, but don't expect miracles. Lemon water is healthy and refreshing. It helps with hydration and provides vitamin C. But be skeptical of detox claims. Our bodies detoxify naturally through the liver, kidneys, and skin. No single drink can cleanse our systems. Enjoy lemon water for its taste and benefits. Your health, your choices. As we conclude our exploration of lemon water and its purported detoxifying properties, it's crucial to remember that you are ultimately in control of your health journey. While there's no harm in enjoying a refreshing glass of lemon water, it's essential to approach health claims with a critical eye and rely on evidence-based information. Instead of seeking quick fixes or miracle cures, focus on building sustainable healthy habits that nourish your body from the inside out. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Make time for regular physical activity, manage stress through techniques like meditation or yoga, and ensure you're getting enough restful sleep. Remember, true health is a holistic endeavor that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By making informed choices and prioritizing self-care, you can empower yourself to live a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your health journey.